to 20%. Visibility good at times.
Right.
Between the showers, often poor.
Okay, what happened? This section that we have that I thought I'd cut there and put onto the bottom of the Jeep is 2.5 mil, which is very heavy. It's too heavy, and we're not making it into an armored car. So this is much thinner in a way. It's 1/6, I think. So what I'm doing is I cut a piece of steel from flat steel, right? I put the square tube into onto the vices. This is really sturdy now. Now I've marked it. Yeah, that's what my section is going to be. And now I'm going to beat it around this pipe. So I'm going to create basically a piece for that.
Between the White Horse and Station Road, so take care if that's your route. Car ferry is